Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the Houndstooth stitch. It's really an easy stitch and I hope you like it. I will use cotton yarns and 4mm crochet hook. You can use any kind of yarn you choose, but the thicker yarns can show the stitch more widely. If you are ready, just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. It's not too easy to see the black color at the video, so I will use blue and a cream color. I will start with a slip knot. And chain an even number. Six, 8, I will show you with a little sample, so that's enough. And I will add one more chain. It's a turning chain, and then turn and make a single crochet into the second chain. Insert your hook here, pull up a loop and pull it through like that. Yarn over and pull it through these two loops. Yarn over again and into the second chain, make a double crochet. Insert your hook here. Just take the yarn over and pull it through from these first two loops. Yarn over and pull it through from the second two loops. That's a double. And into that next stitch, make a single. Into the very next stitch, make a double. Make one single crochet and then one double crochet. One single and one double. Just keep doing like that. I'm at the last one. I start for a double crochet and yarn over, pull through from these first two loops and leave it like that. Now we will make the color change. Take the other yarn and complete the double crochet with this yarn. Chain one. As you see, we complete this row with a double. Turn your work and we will start with a single crochet. We will make single crochet into double crochet, double crochets into single crochet. But we don't cut this yarn. We will just take this yarn the other side like that. We will hide this yarn while I make this. Just take the yarn like that and insert the first stitch, make a single, single crochet here and make a double, double crochet, make a single and a double, make a single and double, just keep doing like that and finish this row. I'm at the end again, and I will make my last double here, and I will just complete this with the first color like that. Chain one and turn. I will take the blue yarn like that. Now I will take the white yarn like that, cause I assume that this side is the right side. Okay, this side is the wrong side, so I will always keep yarn this side at the wrong side. I will start with a single crochet again. Just don't forget to take the cream color and double, single, double, single and double. As you see, it's really easy. I'll just finish this row too. And that's the last one. And I will change the color again and turn it like that. And then at the other row, we will carry this blue color with us and make with the cream color same thing, a single, double, single and double. How you finish this one? We start with the blue and we will finish with the blue here. Just complete double crochet with the first yarn you use, and that's enough. I hope you like this stitch. We can use it anywhere. You can make a hat with this, or a cowl with this, infinity scarf, or a jacket, a cardigan. You can use it anywhere you want. Maybe I can make a cardigan with this stitch. If I can, I will share it with you, of course. And that's it for today. You can write comments. I love to read your comments always. Series Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there too. And And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.